Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. I hope you're all enjoying this super hot day today. It's so hot in the Dan's Dollars coin room today, unbelievable. So I'm actually going outside to cool down today, which again is incredible. The coin then we're going to be looking at in this video is the coin that's rose in value the most, 50p coin wise, that is, in UK circulation over the course of the last year. It is indeed the NHS 50p coin, and for a perfect uncirculated version you are looking between £20 to £22 for the coin alone, which really is simply incredible when you could purchase this coin £5 uncirculated at the start of last year. There is many reasons for the rise in price of this coin. This coin is now 24 years young. Doesn't seem like it's been out for 2 days. 24 years young. A beautiful coin indeed. And again, if there has been many circulated ones, there's not going to be too many circulated with this coin with a 5 million mintage. The main reason in the rise in price of this coin is because of COVID-19 and the amazing job that the NHS did. Loads of people flooded towards this coin, even those alphabet coins as well for the NHS, and that saw a rise in the NHS 10p coin price as well. Again, £20 to £22 for a perfect uncirculated. There is actually a link. I've just seen one of these coins on eBay. Whether it's still there or not, I honestly don't know. £16 with postage, and it's on the card as well. An absolute bargain. And again, if no one has bought it off the channel by the end of this evening, I'll definitely be getting my hands on it. The link for that coin is in the description below. Hopefully, again, by the time I've uploaded it, it is still there available. And again, it is definitely a steal for a coin collector indeed. Definitely a huge shout out if you have managed to get this one. I'm sure some of you will have had multiple of these at home in perfect condition. If you are wondering if this coin will go up in the future, it definitely will do indeed. I do believe in 5 years' time, we'll be looking at that £30 to £35 mark for this coin in perfect uncirculated, which really, again, is incredible for a coin with a 5,001,000 mintage. Any questions, queries, please do hit them there in the comments section below. The next video will be a £50 coin hunt. We're starting up the next £250 bag. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.